This is a orange crush hooked up to an air compressor with duct tape wrapped all around it and some of this glue. I don't know.
And I'm Trip.
Are you ready? Y'all ready? Hold on. This might not even work, dude. It might.
I don't have no pressure.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, it sprayed on me.
This is a orange crush bottle, duct tape like crap, and we got some of this glue.
We did not put that on there.
And it's hooked up to this air compressor over there.
Bacon,
Yeah.
I'm
Hardcore.
Trip. Hey, how you doing?
That's
My invention.
Nixon and
He's just a dummy.
this is Noah.
He's fat.
Alright, ready? Get back. Wait. We're about to blow this at that wall. Wait, whoa. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
It's not coming out. Go.
Holy crap! We got the orange crush bottle, duct tape under the nozzle part, and then we're gonna wrap it up some more. How to make a redneck bottle rocket that goes real fast. Yeah, and scares the cameraman. Done, cuz.
Love what I done did.
That's our air compressor over here. Bad boy, huh? We got back up.
I'd say that's good. Cause you remember last time.
Hold on.
You just build up on that compressor. You're gonna build up this line and blow my leg off.
Last time it didn't really do it.
That leg. I ain't playing it. Use the rest of this at least.
Yeah.
Why? Good. This is Trip.
Hello. Hello.
Nixon.
Hey,
You want cardboard on there too?
Me. My name is Cardboard.
Put it on there with this.
Oh yeah, I'm Noah.
Here, let me just put a little tape. A little over that.
It's fine, man.
I mean,
Are y'all ready?
hold on.
Hold up. We gotta get us in position. Position.
I ain't put a natural thing. Say it's white noise, white and green tones.
Are you ready?
Wait. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Hold up. We gotta.
It all crunched and stuff. It hit too hard.
Dude.
It's hot. It's
Look at
mad.
it. It's hot. How do you